That my new girl up at Gucci. Yeah, what? That my new girl up at Gucci. Yeah, what? Spend a man's all up at Gucci. Yeah, look at your chain with your jeweler. What? You need to cut on my.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be installing these clip-ins that were sent to me by Amazing Beauty Hair. This is what it looks like. Now, I already installed these one time before. They are very nice quality extensions. I got 140 grams in the color 1 because my hair is dyed jet black, and I got 22 inches. So we're gonna go ahead and install them. The first time I did it, I did half up, half down. I think this time I'm gonna do a side part. So I'm gonna start by hot combing my hair just to get it a little flat where my part is gonna be. This clip comes in handy because I'm just gonna part and clip the rest of my hair, and start with the smallest clip-ins in the back first.
That my new girl up at Gucci. Yeah, what? That my new girl up at Gucci. Yeah, what? Spend a man's all up at Gucci. Yeah, look at your chain with your jeweler. What? You need to cut on my jeweler. I put a chain on my shooter. Yeah, I put a slip on my Ruger. In the grips like Freddy Krueger. Just better act like I do it. Rari pulls like Ferris Bueller. What? Let me catch my breath. Yeah, let me count these checks. Flex on my ex. Yeah, I don't got no respect. I don't break up in the text. Pull up in the G, T3 fly off in the jet. Hold on. What? Let me catch my breath. Yeah, let me count these checks. Flex on my ex. Yeah, I don't got no respect. I don't break up in the text. Pull up in the G, T3 fly off in the jet. Little Uzi Vert, like who the fuck are you? Yeah, almost didn't make it, but I made it. Yeah, get into the money. If you snooze, you lose. Whoa, you should see the way that they plot on you. Yeah, wait, why they plot on me? Cause they really know it ain't no stopping me. Like, first I hit my dance, then they flock to me. Yeah, we done did it all night, girl, I gotta leave. Yeah, got your wave down for your seat. You're mad, oh no, now y'all mad. Everything gon' hit the fan. I don't want that, I'm again. I don't want that again. Even though that girl a 10, think we better off being friends. Sight, I'ma hit that again. I'ma lick that again. I'ma split that again. Now I do what I want, can't do what I can. Think you want not at all, cause you know I fall. Yeah, boy, I heard you soft. I'm a copper for the calls. Smoke the gas on my car. What? Let me catch my breath. Yeah, let me count these checks. Flex on my ex. Yeah, I don't got no respect. I don't break up in the text. Pull up in the G, T3 fly off in the jet. Hold on. What? Let me catch my breath. Yeah, let me count these checks. Flex on my ex. Yeah, I don't got no respect. I don't break up in the text. Pull up in the G, T3 fly off in the jet. That my new girl up at Gucci. Yeah, what? That my new girl up at Gucci. Yeah, what? Spend a man's all up at Gucci. Yeah, look at your chain with your jeweler. What? You need to cut on my jeweler. I put a chain on my shooter. Yeah, I put a slip on my Ruger. In the grips like Freddy Krueger. Just better act like I do it. Rari pulls like Ferris Bueller. What? Let me catch my breath. Yeah, let me count these checks. Flex on my ex. Yeah, I don't got no respect. I don't break up in the text. Pull up in the G, T3 fly off in the jet. Hold on. What? Let me catch my breath. Yeah, let me count these checks. Flex on my ex. Yeah, I don't got no respect. I don't break up in the text. Pull up in the G, T3 fly off in the jet. Little Uzi Vert, like who the fuck are you? Yeah, almost didn't make it, but I made it. Yeah, get into the money. If you snooze, you lose. Whoa, you should see the way that they plot on you. Yeah, wait, why they plot on me? Cause they really know it ain't no stopping me. Like, first I hit my dance, then they flock to me. Yeah, we done did it all night, girl, I gotta leave. Yeah, pat your wave down for your seat. You're mad, oh no,